difficult. Help me help you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another installment of Tech It Yourself. Today we will be bringing you a tutorial on how to download and install your own custom mouse packs. So you're going to want to go to Google and install a mouse pack of your choice. This one is Techno Blue Pack by Blue Guy. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the control panel and you're going to open up your mouse settings. Then you're going to want to go to pointers. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click normal select. You're going to go to cursor file where you put it, tap blue, and you're going to match the two together. So see how it says normal select is what I'm on right now. Click normal select, hit open, boom. Now this is normal select. So you're going to want to do that and match all of the cursors with the corresponding texts, and you're going to want to do that, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now that you have all of these manually changed, you're going to want to save this as a pack. So we'll save as and name it as so. And then hit apply. And that will change to the pack done. Okay, now you've just installed and activated custom mouse cursors. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, leave a like, comment down below what you want to see in the future from us, and we will see you in the next video.